What is up, YouTube? Team Sparks today, again, as always, in this channel. So today's review video will be for the Rockpals Streamlined 2018 edition Snorkel full face mask, and I would like to start out by immediately saying the overall looks and especially feel of this Rockpals product to be none other than exceptionally good. Definitely something related heavily to quality for looks and feels for aquatic gear, scuba, diving, swimming gear, etc. Most importantly for me, this being a watertight full face mask, and personally I like to be able to and pretty much need to wear glasses. Well, with that being said, I didn't have any real problems being able to keep mine on for the most part. However, I think some may mess with the water slash seal part that is part of the mask to keep the water out. So be wary if you do choose to try and leave your glasses on while wearing the mask. Smaller frames, it's going to be a lot easier time to make work while using this mask. I'm pretty blind, so I basically choose to wear mine like basically 24/7. The ease of use, it wasn't too very hard to get used to, and using the dual float ball valve system, it does keep it working the water out, and it becomes easily breathable when resurfacing. I haven't been able to put too many hours of usage on it yet so far, but it's been holding up very well. Most of all, the front mask face piece that's in part of the built-in window slash seeing visor is that hasn't scratched up much at all, which is a pretty common problem in the past when I bought cheaper at the Kmart, Walmart, or equivalent branded goggles or masks. However, this being slightly more money than cheaper, less quality stuff in local stores is definitely negated by the fact that you're getting something of much better quality, in turn lasting longer and being much more comfortable and generally working better, bringing yourself a much better experience in total. Really can't get over and stress enough the comfort and feel. The rubber inlay for the fitting over the face is extremely comfortable and doesn't feel scratchy, but also not slippery kind of feeling either. A good in-between feel for a rubber, perhaps more of like a medical grade slash food grade silicone. I'm not sure 100% of what material is actually comprised of, but just seriously feels more comfortable compared to others, especially ones with the rubber straps. I've also, on a side note, the manual had a few typos, but also listed that this was indeed made of food grade silicone material. Was listed as liquid silicone, food grade silicone. The mask is also noted to be weighing in at 1.43 pounds. With that being said, it's not very noticeable when you're wearing it. Kind of has like a natural weight to it. It has a more or less universal sizing system also for the straps, which uses more of a fabric styled than like a rubber or plastic, which is phenomenal. As well as having the XL 2018 version that supports and has the GoPro mount accessories, which I had just shown a few seconds prior in the video of the mounting hardware for that. And I would say I'm a pretty average person, so this fits pretty well over my face and didn't really need much adjusting. I haven't had any fogging issues, but that can also be noted from other reviewers. That could be a possibility due to outside and temps of the water as